Bye, Rosie. I'll miss you. Maybe this go round will be better. We'll see. All right, what are we doing? Donuts? Yeah. Donuts. I guess we're going to find a donut truck. So you gotta spend $700 or $800 on your truck to get. You gotta have a donut. So, all right. Yeah, you gotta go find the parking lot donut trucks when you travel around.
I like it, but some of the best stuff we've had are from food trucks and parking lots. Handmade donuts, and they are so fluffy and light. They smell sweet and delicious.
Ain't good.
They'll do.
They'll do. All right, guys, about time for us to get to the Hootenanny. So I'm off work, finished work now at this point. We got the truck over at the shop, getting a couple of tires on it because they had some issues with the tires. Front tires on the truck with the radio belts. Messed up the alignment, so all that is getting done. We're headed home tomorrow, which means we have to pack this rolling circus up and get it on the road tomorrow to get home to prepare for Savannah in about a week. All right, so we got loaded up. We're on the way back home. Get ready for the Hootenanny. I'm going to throw in just a little tip here, though, for you guys. If you're in two separate vehicles like we are now, because when I go on one of the travel nurse assignments like we're on right now, Mel takes her own vehicle with her, so she has a way to go do things when I'm at work. But you have two vehicles when you're traveling. So it's very important to have a good set of two-way radios, walkie-talkies, something. It's just a faster, easier communication method than your cell phone. Hard to believe that an old-fashioned walkie-talkie is faster than your cell phone, but it is, just to grab and push the button. As well, you may be traveling through some areas that don't have cell service, so when you pick up your phone to call whoever you're traveling with, they can't hear you. But we use these Baofeng radios. These are actually ham radios. They're capable of transmitting at pretty high power on ham frequencies, but we just use them on like the family radio frequencies, like in the walkie-talkies that you buy at Walmart. It's just a really easy communication method. Everything going okay?
Yep, everything is good. I will probably need gas at like 130 miles.
All right, so we can stop for gas whenever you want to. We'll look for a good place up coming.
Okay, that's fine. Just whenever you see something you like, we'll stop.
All right, sounds good. That's a free tip from Home on Edge. I can't travel with Mel and miss one of these either, so we got to stop it every time we get around one of these things. We got to stop. So today apparently is no different. So. Stink buggins. Stink buggins. We got stink bugs.
Do you have stink bugs?
We have stink bugs. Apparently, they don't have any natural predators in the world. So they just do whatever they want to do.
Well, I said they have one natural predator.
Vacuum cleaner.
Right here.
Mel. We're trying to get down to Meadow where it's better, and then Savannah for the Hootenanny. Do you have eyebrows?
I do not. I don't have any makeup on. No eyebrows. Well, you can kind of see them, but I don't have.
Okay.
I have no makeup on.
That's what's the matter.
Yeah.
I'm just.
I don't have a.
Oh, you might recognize this place, guys. Yep.
All right. right, come on.
Come on.
Let's take a walk around the neighborhood and see who's still here.
Right. So this is Beaver Run RV Park. So we stayed here for 3 months back, April, May, June, for a contract in South Georgia, and we stopped here on the way to Savannah for the HOOTENANNY. So it's kind of cool to be back in the old neighborhood. It's a little cooler now.
But it's still warmer than where
It's still warm. It's like in the mid to upper 80s. We've been in the eastern Tennessee mountains, so it's been quite a bit cooler.
Yeah, mid-60s.
Yeah. Right over there, Sunset Trail. That's where we stayed. Cool.
It's hot out here.
It is. Look at Barb in her damn winter attire.
What's up?
What's up, boss? How you doing?
Man.
Give me a hug, brother. How you doing, buddy?
Doing good.
Yeah, good trip?
Except for a car bug.
Yeah.
I'm so excited for the HOOTENANNY. I can't wait.
Yep, absolutely. So we're here in Savannah. Make sure you check out next week's video. We are hanging out in the parking lot of Walmart waiting for some other HOOTENANNYers that are early. We still got a little bit of time before we can check in, so make sure you subscribe, like, give us a thumbs up, and we will see you next week for a HOOTENANNY video.
So take care of each other
Love each other.
and make every moment count.
See you next time, guys.